Welcome back, guys. So, we quick update here. Pile of rubbish from inside. There's a couple of them. Slip sill in. Glad to get that done. So that's going to be the level of the insulation and the floor right through. Done a video on building them up there, and also bottomed it out around the edges. That timber wasn't there, and them couple of timber, so that I actually have something to fix to. But yeah, it feels good to get to this point here. It's all closed in. Obviously windows and doors are going to be the next big project, but what's going to be happening next is door frames. And again, that's why I needed to get that in, so that it's all set nice and level through. I'm going to stack them up here. They're apparently on their way, so hopefully I won't have to wait about too much longer to get them all in. The only thing really masonry wise needs done is a lot of the sills are built up, but there's a lot that aren't. I'll probably concrete them. So there's a few window sills they still get built up, and obviously all the back slip sills at the bottom. So obviously there's a slip sill to go in there and that door. But again, I'll wait till this frame's in, and then I can take it frame to frame. Same in there, it'll be frame to frame. Bit easier that way. Joiner came up with that one. Pretty good thinking. What else is left to do? Not much until the windows go in, and the gutter and the soffit. But I did manage to get the whole place a good red out. As you can see, it just looks so much bigger. It's all cleaned out. Just looks better, bigger and better. Still has stuff in the way and stuff like that. It will be used up at some stage. So another wee job I'm gonna put another coat of paint on that, as there's a wee drop left, so I may as well just use it up on whatever steel's exposed there. Again, the other wee bit of masonry is they just need pointed in. Again, it's not major, they're well built in. The plaster, if it was just to leave that, which has happened on jobs where it's not fully pointed, we just render over it, really, just sand cement over it. And then just really wee small things, but wee small things I can keep on doing, like the window I'm gonna do, and the wee windows in there. There's still all the wee small things that I could still be doing, just to get ahead. But as far as that, I would say by Christmas, if we could manage to get the windows and doors in just before Christmas, or maybe just after, would be a nice breaking point of we get that done, and then I could maybe start thinking about plastering the outside, which would be amazing. It would really make us push this on. Again, there'll be a big hole then again before the electrics and the plumbing first fix. But yeah, there's some more paint. I'm actually going to use the other undercoat stuff for scaffolding. I have a wee Mac plastering sign. I'm going to just go around and tidy up some of the scaffolding and put Mac plastering on. But I was thinking in here, there's some buttons. I'm going to use them for the bottoms of the doors. But I was thinking in here of doing like a bit of a dropped ceiling around all the edges, and then splitting this, maybe coming here and having almost like a beam either side of the chimney. I need to measure and see how symmetric everything is on that side, and then having, so the ceiling goes up in these middles, just like even that much would nearly be enough. Thinking about it, strongly thinking about it too. I just think it would look nice, and because I can do it, and I have to pay for the timber and the fixings, obviously, and it's going to be a wee bit more plasterboard, a wee bit more plaster, but I feel because I can, I should, and I think I can make a really nice job of it. I was also thinking up here. If we do put stairs in, we may put like 3 niches in, just for a bit of a shelving area. But again, I might not do it. Remember in our last house I was going to build up, cut the window and build up and put a sill in and insulate it and move the radiator across. And I pushed on that hard in that renovating that house that I had the floor and all, laminate flooring down, skirting done, everything painted, and it was actually my dad walked in and said, I thought you were moving the radiator. And at that stage it was like, I was going to move the radiator, I was going to build it all up, and I was going to do all them things, but it slipped my mind and it did everything else. So that could happen here on the Lexus. Some projects that you could just end up pushing on, and then at that stage there's no point going back. But we're also thinking about some kind of like fancy chair seating area in here. And then obviously this is actually only a single door, this big opening. It's only a single door, but it's glass either side. So that's gonna pop. Should look nice. Again, just really let a load of light in, out. And then similar to here, probably be like 2 glass sort of doors as well. But yeah, guys, that's the bit of update now. Just waiting on these timbers to get stacked out here so that we can knock up the door frames and get them all set. The ones I'm panicking about the most is here. These 3 and these 2, because we want them to shoot nice. And I know that wall's a wee bit whatever, you know. But hopefully we can set this one out maybe heavy and then work it in. So we'll maybe set this one and set that one and then string line between them. But whatever it is, the plaster will have to fix it.